Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been over a season now since we last looked at this sun canopy from StarCamp. So I'm going to give you my thoughts for the end of the season review on the StarCamp sun canopy. So as I said, we're coming to the end of the season with the StarCamp 385 quick and easy sun canopy, and we've been quite impressed with it. We've thrown all sorts at it. We've had severe wind, we've had severe rain, and we've also had extreme heat when we were in France, and it stood up really well to all of them. The tubing system's excellent. We did have a little leak, or we thought we had a leak in one of the bracer beams, but it just turned out that one of the screws that actually retains the air section wasn't quite tight enough, and it was just letting a little bit of air out. That was quickly tightened up, and we've never had any issues with it since. There's one thing that I will point out to you, which I'll explain in a moment, but let's talk about the actual material itself. So the fabric quality of the StarCamp is excellent, really pleased with it. Very water resistant, and also it protects you from the wind as well, which we found really helpful, especially when we were up in the Lake District. Now, when we were in France, we found it quite hot, as everybody else did, because we were going through a heat wave at that particular point. But what we utilised was the actual fact that we can undo these. In fact, we could remove them, and it was like an open sun canopy then, and we got plenty of air in to circulate, and it allowed us to cool the Caravan down at the same time. So we were really pleased with that. Now, the one thing I will say about the sun canopy that we found a little bit annoying, and that was this section here. It butts against the Caravan quite flush. However, you have to, in order to create the seal here, you have to peg quite a distance underneath the van itself. It would be nice if they did an upgrade to actually put a padded section here, and perhaps you could fit a pole into it and it would hold it a lot more closer to the van. We found that when it was windy and it wasn't quite right, it would flap about a lot and it was quite noisy, which was irritating. But other than that, one point, so far we've not really found any issues that we can really report on. Now, one of the questions I was asked in the previous video was, does it come with a draft skirt? No, it doesn't. It doesn't come with a draft skirt at all. This is mine, and I had this on a previous awning, and I'm using it at the moment. I'm quite happy with it. But you can buy it as an aftermarket product. Usually Caravan accessory dealers will sell you this off a roll, and they'll cut it to length for you. Now, sometimes we've had to put a sun canopy away when it's wet, unfortunately, due to the good old English weather. But that's not a problem. We've took it home, we've took it straight out of the bag, and we've hung it on the washing line at home in the back garden. And within a couple of hours it's dry and it's ready to go back in the bag. So they call it the quick and easy air canopy. And is it quick and easy? And the answer is yes, it is very quick and easy. Very simple to fit through the awning rail. One person can do it by themselves. Very quick to inflate, and you only have to peg it down with a minimum of 4 pegs on each side, and it's ready to go. Well folks, that was the StarCamp 385 quick and easy air canopy. Very pleased with it. It's going to continue to be used by myself and Juliet because we think it's a very versatile bit of kit. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.